Bonjour and welcome to French Lessons with Frenchy. Today we are going to talk about boogers. Boogers are very important in French and one must know how to say properly in the French language. So, we will start with my booger. In French, you would say, mon booger. That's my booger in French. Further, if you wanted to say, look at my booger, if you pick a big one, you want to show somebody, so you say, look at my booger, then you would say, regardez mon booger. Or, let's say your booger is very big. You pick a good one, a big booger, and you want to show somebody, and you could say, look at my booger. So that's regarder mon booger. And then you could say, my booger is big, which is un booger est grande. That's my booger is big. So, let's look at this again. Oh, and before I forget, let's say you do something wrong. You do something stupid. So you want to say, I am a booger. Then you would say, je suis un booger. I am a booger. So, to review, my booger is mon booger. Say it with me. Mon booger. Look at my booger is regardez mon booger. Say it with me. Regardez mon booger. Now you have a big booger. My booger is big. Un booger est grande. Or you being a booger, you want to say I am a booger. You say je suis un booger. And there you have it. Booger in French. Here at French Lessons with Frenchy. See you next time. Au revoir.